On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don welcome investment matter from Japan Bank and Toyota. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do ogbonge investment talk with better people for Japan Bank for International Cooperation and Toyota Group for 7th Tokyo International Conference on African Development, TICAD 7, wey shele for Yokohama, Japan. Deputy Governor of Japan Bank, Nobumitsu Hayashi, na im lead dem come as im tok say dem get better mind to take support projects wey Japanese companies get within Nigeria. E tok say the bank get many things for ground to take support the companies dem as dem still get interest to put better investment for oil and gas and for infrastructure. Presido Buhari come greet the bank and tell dem say Nigeria don begin dey do wetin oyinbo dey call ease of doing business, and all the things wey dey block business matter make for no grow for the country, im administration don clear am. For bilateral meeting wey Presido Buhari get with Toyota Tsusho, wey be part of Toyota company wey the Presido and the CEO of the group, Ichiro Kashitani, e come talk on top the area wey they wan put body for, like energy, healthcare, automobiles. Talk say Toyota go happy well to tanda gidigba put for Nigeria. Kashitani come talk say Toyota Tsusho wan build advanced medical diagnostic center, dat na ogbonge medical center put for the country, the one wey be say e go dey ground sake of people wey go like go hospital for obodo, dem no go need waka go there as dem go put better one for ground. Presido Buhari come tell the group say im go like make the group tanda wetin oyinbo dey call car assembly plant for Nigeria, as Nigeria get power well to make sure say investment wey dem put for the country e grow well. For another meeting wey Presido get with Algeria Prime Minister Nuruddin Bedo, e tell dem say political program for the country wey dem wan do, say make the country dem do am well as the general elections go soon shele. Presido Buhari come talk say Algeria na good African nation and dem dey waka well as dem dey make Africa dey proud. Prime Minister Bedo talk say ogbonge talk don dey ground with stakeholders on top our election wey wan shele for end of the year go take waka well for Algeria. Now here we see the better information reach on top with tori for today, as President Muhammadu Buhari don welcome better investment matter from Japan Bank and Toyota. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so wey una receive na T-Live Media na im bring am come give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to get this correct and clear informate as they happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, more no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us, we can enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T-Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. More follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.